Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to do with you my version of a beautiful carrot ginger soup with prawn. Or in German we would say ein schönes Karottensüppchen mit Ingwer und Garnelen. Okay, now for that one we need, as you can see on the ingredients, right? So we have leek. For the leek we will only use the white part. Yeah. Then this liquid, it's nolly brat, right? It's very nice. Then we have already chopped ginger, and then we have a nice full cream. We have a good chicken stock, chopped coriander, obviously the carrots, and a little bit Tabasco, smoked Tabasco. Now what I will do is, obviously we have some carrots, as you can see here. I will choose for carrot juice. Yeah, we will do this in this machine then. Yeah, some carrots I dice up for the soup, obviously. And yes, my chicken stock you can use as well, normal vegetable stock, yeah, like you will find on my channel, how to do that one, to keep it vegetarian, and of course you leave the prawns away then on the end. But let's start with the first thing first. So we do our carrot juice first. The carrots I already peeled, right? So we're putting our machine on. So this gets a little bit noisy, yeah, obviously, right? There we go. That was the first part, so easy, right? Beautiful, freshly made carrot juice, the best, right? Very nice. So we let this one drip out nicely. And then, as I said, for the leek, yeah, so we will use only the white part. Yeah, so we discard this one, and then we use this one, we cut it in half, and now we wash it, right? So we wash that one in a minute. And for the carrots, same thing, they're already peeled, right? For the carrots we cut, this one is now first for the soup. For the soup we just need to cut sort of small dices like that, that will be fine. But later on, we need, for the garnish for the soup, we need carrot finely diced, or carrot brunoise, as we call it as well. And that goes like that, so very fine slice, and then we cut strips. Like that, turn it around, and so as you can see, yeah, so that's then the carrot brunoise. I will do the same with the leek, yeah, and for our soup we have carrot just simply diced and some more leek, yeah, and then we take all our ingredients and we're going on the stove. But now I make the preparation first, yeah. Okay, everybody, now we put our ingredients over to the stove, yeah, so we're heating up our pot, putting our butter in here. And straight away we can put our ginger in here as well, the grated ginger, or chopped ginger, finely chopped ginger. Yeah, all done. While this is doing its thing, we're doing our roughly chopped white leek. Yeah, we're putting that all in. Give it a good stir. As you can see here, nicely. Yes, beautiful. And the carrots, you can see as how I dice them, right? Just small pieces, so obviously they cook a little bit quicker. Okay, let's sort this one on just nicely. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so nicely sauteed. What is next? Yeah, next we just sort of putting our nolly bread on here. Yes, oh yes, that smells good. Oh yeah, yeah, beautiful. Okay, oh yes, oh, okay. Then we're putting our chicken stock on here, all good, and everything can go in now. Our normal full cream as well. I'm gonna put everything in here, right? That, and there's a few things missing, as you can recall what was all on our ingredients board before. We did something, the first step, what we did, of course, we did a beautiful, fresh carrot juice, right? That's the key to success here in this recipe. Yeah, beautiful, freshly carrot juice. And now already, yeah, we can put already as well our coriander on here. Yeah, so that's, ladies and gentlemen, now we bring this to a simmering point, and then of course this has to simmer for easy 20 minutes till all our carrot bits and pieces are fully well cooked, and then we blitz it. But by then, I mean, we will regroup. Yeah, I bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmering point. Okay, everyone, so our beautiful carrot, ingwer, ginger is simmering here nicely along for the last 28 minutes. So I checked all the carrots, they're nicely soft now. Now we just blitz it quickly up with a hand blitzer if you have, or a kitchenette. Then we put it through a sieve. So first thing first, of course we put our heat source off, yeah, and we make sure we immerse this whole thing in the liquid. And this whole thing goes now through a fine sieve. Now we're putting this one through a sieve here. Everything comes nicely out. Yeah, very good. Now here it is. We have to let this one sit for a few minutes. We do not want to stir it too much that we don't want to have the pulp in it. We want to have a nice clear carrot soup. Okay, just give us, while this is doing its thing actually, what I do next is I saute on our carrot and leek cubes, which goes in the soup then itself. For that, we're putting a little bit butter in our pan, obviously. And yes, we can put already. Now we wait till the butter foams nicely up. This should go very quickly. So now, soon the butter starts foaming, right? We're putting our leek brunoise, carrot brunoise, they can go all together. Putting them in here. Yeah, stir nicely together. So this has to go very quick, you know, just quickly in a nice butter. We can turn already the heat source off, because those garnish we want to have still nice and crunchy in our soup cup in a minute. Okay, alrighty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Yeah, we just can let it sit here. Okay. Alright, so our carrot juice is nicely went through the sieve, right? As I said, we didn't stir too much around. So now the next big thing here is, now we have this beautiful carrot soup liquid. Now we want to monte nice cold butter in it, right? So give it a nice foamy consistency. Yeah, so my blender, cold butter, I sliced in small cubes and I put one by one in it and blend it. Okay, look at this, beautiful. That's what we want to achieve, you know. Look at this foam, beautiful. But we haven't tasted it yet, yeah? So one taste we have to do. Let's check this one out. Oh, beautiful. This nollybrot and the carrot go so nice together. So as I said, I just put 2 drops of my smoked Tabasco in here, and then it's completely up to you guys if you want to put a little bit more salt on it, but I like to have the natural sort of flavor of the carrot. Yeah. Okay, I clean this one up and then we're coming over to the bench for the presentation. All right, everybody, so now the presentation. So I have a beautiful cup here. As I said, our carrot and leek brunoise, which we just sorted on, right? So I put two nice teaspoons full into here, right? So that's good, nicely. The carrot, I always put it first in a carafe or in a milk jug or whatever you want to put it, right? So because we don't want to make too much mess, like I already did here. Have a look. Yeah, let's clean this one up straight away. Don't like. Okay, now we're pouring the soup nicely in here. Oh, look at this, beautiful, oh my God. All right, so now this is this one, and then as I said, we garnish it with a little bit of today with a prawn skewer, right? And then I blanch the carrot, right? So we have this one here as well. And yeah, I have a little bit of from our garden. Obviously we have some herbs as well, only on a side plate if we want to, you know, can make it a little bit more touchy like this. Ladies and gentlemen, for you to enjoy carrot ginger soup oder Karottensüppchen mit Ingwer. Thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Please enjoy that soup. Yummy.